Hi, my name is Leanne A. Alinsod. My school is Canosa. In our school, we have the best teachers. We have the most students. Every day, we listen to our teachers. The students are smart and good. Going to school is fun when you go to our school. Teachers make learning easy. Come visit our school now. It's the best school in town.
A man from California, Bill Helko, was thrilled when he had the winning numbers in the local lottery, the first prize being $412,000. He straight away went and ordered a Porsche, booked a family holiday in Hawaii, and a champagne dinner with his wife and friends at an expensive Hollywood restaurant. He had the prize of his life when he went to pick up his winnings. He found that 9,097 others had also won first prize, and he shared his jackpot $25.